i35equipment.com. This is John Deere 200 LC excavator with the long reach arm. It's a great machine for building and cleaning out ponds. It allows you to get out there and reach and dig without getting stuck in the mud that is common to a normal arm size on an excavator. This machine runs and operates excellent. It's actually on consignment from us from a local ranch that just got done utilizing it to clean their ponds out. Digs, runs, and operates great. We are not mechanics though. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself so you can get a professional opinion. Just going to share the information we see. Our carriage looks really good to me. It sure tracks well for a machine of its size. We'll check everything out, then we'll hop up in the operator station and get it started and operate it for you. We do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address, several local haulers, and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best hauling rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to arrange your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Like I said, we do specialize in consignment sales here. So if you'd like to learn more about our consignment sales service, just give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more. Storage under the step. Glass looks to be all in good condition. It's a pretty tight machine. John Deere motor, diesel of course, and no DEF is required, so that's a really nice feature. 6.8 liter. I didn't notice any blow by on it earlier, and the fluids all look real good on it. Like I said though, welcome you to come out and look it over for yourself. You can hire a local mechanic to come inspect it for you. Does have cold working air conditioning. Real nice feature on a day like today. Dual batteries. Looks like these are from 22, so not that old at all. Say even fairly new. Take a step back so you can see the operator station here. Like I said, the glass all looks to be in good condition. That's a factory rubber floor mat, as well as what I believe is a factory John Deere seat. Cold air conditioning does have the safety manual back there. Alright, go ahead and shut this door. Real nice, clean machine. Old working AC. Working radio.
And encouraging Kayla.
Working hard. There's throttle control, different power modes. The AC's working good like we said. We'll go ahead and run it for a second. Bear with me, I'm going to be doing it with a phone in my hand, but I do want to show you that it's operating nice and quick, arms functioning. See that coming back all the way. bucket scooping. Excellent digging power. It's lifted us up off the ground. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and track it. We do not have throttled up very much. We've been hit up to about halfway. Show you, check it around here, make sure no one's coming. Travel alarm is working. And show you, again, like I said, we're only at half power, but it is tracking and turning excellent. Let's go ahead and try out the dual travel speed selection. Yep, that is working. Appreciate you taking time to watch. As always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.iDirectBackLimit.com. Hope you have a wonderful day.